3 killed at cookout in Temple Hall, St. Andrew.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
The community of Temple Hall in rural St. Andrew was rocked on Sunday by a brazen attack when a lone gunman shot and killed 3 persons at a cookout. Head of the St. Andrew North Police Division, Superintendent Derek Champini, said that about 4 p.m. persons were at the old bubblegum factory when a lone gunman approached the patrons on foot. Some were playing dominoes, some were observing. He walked up and shot 6 persons. 3 are confirmed dead, he said. An alleged eyewitness said he had to take cover when the incident unfolded. Me in the kitchen and me left and go to the dominoes table and carry a piece of pork go give a man. When me walk back to the kitchen, me hear bang bang bang. Me see people start run up and down the complex. Me see a man a roll a ground and a scream and a side shot till the shot done, he said. When me walk go at the gate, me see one man dead at the next side. One get shot in a hand, one in a foot. Everything a go on good and comfortable till them come and spoil it. Champini said that it is believed this incident is a reprisal to a shooting which took place earlier this year in the same vicinity. We are following some leads so far, and we are hoping that the investigation will lead us to an early breakthrough. Since the start of this year, we have seen an uptake in murders based on gangs and criminal activities. We have made some breakthroughs where persons were arrested and charged for various offenses, he said. Champini added that in some cases, the police have to release men who have been arrested because some witnesses are fearful. But he said the police are trying to work with those persons and hopefully will alleviate their fears in order to assist the investigations.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.